In this video, I'm just gonna do it may be relatively long, but I'm going to show how to kind of start an ignition project from scratch. There's gonna be written down a few things here: how to make basic push buttons, how to make an SQL database for certain tags that you want, and how to put those tags into a table so that they look like this, relatively. Like this is an updated table. Obviously these tags are, I mean, these values would be changing, but the device that I have set up to this perspective is not online right now. So starting from scratch, you're going to want to open up Ignition. And then you're going to want to go to, I'm going to just delete these. You're going to want to go to Designer Launcher. Once you have that opened, you want to go to this. You don't want to add one. I mean, you can if you will, but I have all my projects under Ignition. You're going to want to log in on this screen here. I'm going to log in off screen on my second monitor here. So new project name, video tutorial 3, project title, video tutorial 3, description, video, from scratch. And if you've been my other two videos, I showed how to import tags, and then I also showed you how to go online with your device. I may overlap a little bit, but yeah, I don't want any templates. Default, yep, I want default database. I want final project. Create new project. Alright, it is opening right now on my second monitor, but I will switch it once it's opened. Okay. Perspective, views. I want to create a view. So if I go here, just wait for this shit to load. New view, video tutorial. Cool. I want to change this automatically to 2500 to 2500. I want a big screen. I go to perspective, go to video. I want to copy this path and video tutorial, primary view, video tutorial, video tutorial, primary view, copy path. No, I want to get rid of, I want to try to keep, just for simplicity's sake, I want to get rid of any spaces. Video tutorial, session events, nope. Video tutorial. Page URL, video tutorial. There, launch URL, you can launch it. It's nothing right now, it's nothing. But if I want to, say I wanted to create a tag that, yeah, I have this document open. I'll use this one. So I'll close this. No. My IP address for this one is 0.5, so I'm going to turn on this. Turn this back on. Wait for it to go back online. Video tutorial. Go online. Go online. Okay, I'm online. I will just make a new block right now. And once I make this new block, I want to go to properties. I want to turn that off. I want that off. It just makes things easier. No potential for errors. I want to do PB1. Q1. Nope. Q1. They bet. Okay. I have these two memory bits. Now I'm going to set it so that when I click a button on ignition, it turns on this push button and then therefore turns that on. Back here, video tutorial, button. Add a button. From there, I don't know. Configure events. On mouse down. I want to add a script. And let me see here. I think I have something copy pasted somewhere. Ignition scripts, yes. I want to copy that. But before I do that, delete. I'm going to create a new folder here. Video. New tag. OPC tag. Right. So once you have your device, you can see the one that's connected right now. The name is Siemens 1. It's a Boolean. OPC. I want to go Siemens _1. For memory bit, it's MX. What was the 57.3. Apply. Okay. PB video. Apply. Okay. Now, if I click that, I have to enable read-write mode. If I click that, I go monitor here. You can see it's on. Uncheck it. See it's on. Now, if I want to configure a button to do that, configure events. On mouse down. Script. Copy paste this script. You can instead of this too, you can literally just go to what one has a ChatGPT. Write me a script on ignition for when I press. Or even easier, I'll just get rid of this just to show you that it can do it. And then copy image, I'll paste that. And then I want to back to ignition. I want to copy the path. When I press down, it sets it to 1. Do. Copy the paste, copy the script. Configure events, copy the script, apply. And on mouse up, I want to do the same thing. However, I want to turn it to 0. So if I go here, if I save my project, and I go back to here, you'll see the button. If I click the button, toggles the bit. Toggles the bit. Okay, now for like an integer value, say I'll make this real simple. Always true. That's an always true bit. Instructions. Timer on. Video tutorial timer. Oh, you. Okay. Download this. Go back to ignition, add a new tag. OPC tag. ACC. One. What was the address? MD58. 35, 36, 37, 39. Boom. It's right there. Cool. Now I want to edit tag, go to history, true, storage provider. You can use the database, the sample one, but you can also make your own. And sample mode, periodic, max sample rate. I want it every 5 seconds. I go here, table, data. I want to link that to tag history. I want to copy the path. I want to go here, tag path. Where is it? Video, ACC, aggregation mode, last value, most recent. I want it every 30 seconds. Point count, I want it 50. Nope, wrong one. Polling, 30 seconds. Yep. And then you can see how, if I go here, T-stamp, a little goofy. You don't want that. Where's columns here? You may have to, oh, no, columns. Field, T-stamp. Columns. I also want to add another column so that my ACC is still there. Let me see here. Number format. Number value. Let me just, date format. Boom. If I just make this, if I move this, you can also make it so that you see 500 if you want to see. Now you have different. Go back here. Go back to my page here. Let me just make this bigger. ACC timestamp 46, 45. What has happened to my ACC? No. Yeah. Okay, I know what's wrong. Edit tag, history, 5 seconds. I don't want it 5 seconds. I want it 30. Go here. Most recent, 5 seconds. Save. Because it's such a, like, you can see, if I go to 1, hit this, so I see the most recent first. (808:02). Wonder why that's not updating. Oh, 30 seconds. Oh, I want it every 5 seconds. Point count. I'll change that back to 50. Go back here. Change this. Because the tags, they update every, what is it? 30 seconds, I believe. Let's just find out here. 337, 337, 337, 27. Yeah, they update every 30 seconds. I think the T stamp, though, does need to be fixed. If I get out of play mode. Columns. Sample rate. Every 500 milliseconds, I want this value to show up. Okay. I save that, and I go back to my T-stamp, and I go to the most recent. Boom! Those are the tag values. I don't know why I'm saying boom, but tag values, and in the database you can also see them as well. If I go here, go back to here, data sets, you can 1,500, 15,000. I want to see 15,000 different values. Let me save this. $15,000 different values that I can see. Obviously, I just created the thing not too long ago. Or changed the tag history in here, so it's not that updated, because it hasn't been 15,000 values worth. But yeah, that's how you create. And then also to change the yeah, ACC. Let me just see if I can change the header real quick. You delete that. Delete. Yeah. Anyways, so that's how you create a quick little database. Let's see if anything else here. Video tutorial. Make a table. Nope, that's everything. Yeah, that's it. You also did learn how to open this on Chrome. Button. Go to TIA here. See how it's blast. 601 different pages. Okay, end of the video.